morning, good morning, good morning. Today is the new month or the beginning of the new month. So we're also starting a new project. I'm excited about it. So I just woke up, forgive me. Just woke up now. So just wanna get the caffeine going and then probably get started with the things. Back in the day when some of us were still growing, when you started working, you had three options when it comes to buying of a car. You know, your starter pick would be either a Tez, Mark One Golf, or a Cosalite. So, since this is the beginning of the new month, we're starting with the new project. What is it? Let's reveal the new project that we got recently. Not recently, just yesterday. So I just got me a new project quickly, and here it is. It's looking, it's something something. So I'm just gonna give it some touch-ups. It has a lot of work, but it's a project, like I mentioned. Good morning, good morning. So just gonna polish the school shoes. Toughies has to shine, isn't it? So it's one of those. No, it's not that. It's not that. Definitely not that. I don't know what you guys think about it. We are about done. New match, guys. New match. For 6 on cut. New match. New match if you're interested. Guys, the plan here really is just to grow the channel. So, like Mr. How much would say, support the local YouTube, guys. It's the right thing. How do you guys think it came out? You happy? Because I'm happy. So I think, do we need to do a new tint, guys? Do we need to replace the tint, especially at the back? Because my worry now, sitting in nice. Oh, this way it becomes close. When I do this, it becomes close.